on, baby. Dance, baby, dance. Dance, baby, dance. Come on, hold Mama's hand. Come on. You're getting snow in your hair. Let's see what they're doing. Oh, careful. I got you. I got you. It's okay. Oh, you got snow on your fingers. Oh, no. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you don't want to walk in this stuff.
Come on.
Come on. It gets better when you get in the white stuff. It's not so watery.
Come on.
I don't know. It's going to try to. What are you doing, Sarah? Where's your sissy? Angel, pull your coat down, please. Angel? What is it? Come on. Oh, your little hand got cold because of that snow, didn't it? What is that? Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. Yeah, your rabbits. Your rabbits got cold, didn't they? Look. Look. There we go.
Ah, I got a stick. A snow stick.
Angel, you want to record? Here, it's already recording.
Hey, Sarah, are you gonna have some fun?
Look, it's sticking to Sissy's boots.
Ah!
Come on. Woo!
Dang! Ah, still sticking to my boots.
Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh my gosh, I have so much snow on my boots.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Oh, let's go to Dad. Ugh, if my boots would stop sticking.
Look, honey, she's stuck.
Dang, Mom.
Coming from the roof.
It's a snowstorm.
All right.